Good morning, guys. Let's get after it. It is Tuesday, and yeah, let's see if we could get another dub on the ORB today. Joshua, Austin, Daryl, Leon. Good morning. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Just was doing my my homework on which accounts I shouldn't be trading today because I have payouts requested. I requested 7,500 yesterday from Apex, so I have over $10,000 pending in payouts. Whoa, it just froze. All right, let's see how the ORB is going to be. Pretty slow morning so far. As far as volatility goes, you could see that the scale here is much slower. So I'm going for 30 ticks again today. Just how far away the 80 and 20 levels are from each other tells you how slow the market is. All right, good luck today, guys. Let's have, hopefully, a green day. Oh, what the hell was that? What the hell was that? That was wild. That's why I don't do my ORB the old way. Because that was terrible. I would have blown the account. Okay, shorts are trapped, maybe. Maybe not. Oh, what the hell is going on? I'm scared now. This is one of the craziest opens I've seen in a while. It's almost like a news event. Got it. Very lucky. Very lucky, but sometimes we need that luck. We've been unlucky on a couple attempts. Let's see. Is it going to actually go lower? Still would have been in. Okay, would have worked longer. Okay. Would have been a little bit sketchier, but would have worked. This is the craziest open I have seen in a long time, guys. This is literally like a news event open. Like that felt like it was CPI or something. I have not seen anything like that in quite some time. So I don't think I have any Apex accounts to trade. I might have one. No, I don't think I have any accounts to trade. So what we're going to do is we're going to pass some evals today. Or not pass, but work on evals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 4 are pending, right? You have 4 are pending, and I traded 11 accounts. So unfortunately, I traded all my Apex accounts. I could try to get more profits on the lowest balance accounts. But for now, I think we're going to try to work on that take profit trader eval situation. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Samuel, Titus, Marco, Grani, Mist, to you, MX. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Another green day for me. Very happy with that. Really 30K month approaching, and I haven't had a 30K month in a very long time. I had plenty of high 20s, but never reached 30 since, I believe, September. I think. I'll have to double check that. I mean, that's if I get approved. I mean, I don't see why I wouldn't get approved. Yeah. Would love to get the 720 long. I gotta order some food because I don't have a Red Bull. I can't trade without Red Bull. I get an egg platter. Okay, let's see if we could get this fill. So I would like to finally like need TPT, and I need to be I need to be patient with TPT. Every time I get funded with TPT, I'm just not patient. I'm doing the rookie mistake that many of us do and try to get to buffer in the first day. And that's literally the killer. I'm just gonna long scalp a little bit. Missed my 720s there. So we could get $100 or so here. So it seems very volatile, but I guess 100 points. I mean, that's not too bad. Good morning, Bella. I would love to learn how to short with options. I don't know if you guys saw the stock car, Avis rental company. It's up like 600%. It's like the next GME, and no one's talking about it. I wanna short that thing. Massive short squeeze on car. Come on, NQ, you could do it. Push down. Doesn't want to go lower. So I'm thinking like if I put some 30K, you know, in payouts on the month, if I put like 10 or 15K on car short, how much could I make in options? Black magic trading. Don't worry about my position. My position is not real. It's literally just YOLOing an eval. So I'm not really trading. I would not trade that level. So don't worry about that. Don't get out of your position or whatever just because I'm in the opposite. Don't worry about that. I'm long. I'm also long. That's not on the chart. That's right here. Thank you, trader. So we're still trading the same way, Black Magic, huh? I just wanted 720s. I didn't get it, so I'm just YOLOing. Hopefully it bounces. I would like to get, you know, filled at 720 and then get a bounce because then we could make a lot more money. Add one more. I'm scaling. So when the pop comes, we can make like 1500. Come on, just pop. I need to sell one for like 10 points. But no, see, it just keeps getting rejected. I gotta reset the ones I blew yesterday. So we could trade them today. Lawrence, good morning. So TRADEIFY, you could now buy 5 accounts at once. You don't have to do individual checkouts. About time someone that have done that. There we go. Come on. I get like 10 points on the first contract. I'll sell. It's embarrassing for the space. No, it has to do with the contracts and everything. Every account's individual, right? So if you like breach the contract or something, it's on that account. That's why they do it that way. Every account is its own. All right, so I got like 10 points on the first contract. On this contract, we already have like 30 points. That's what I'm talking about. There we go. I'm making some money. Making some money. Well, it's not money. It's just tokens. So basically, I sold these two contracts, and I'm holding this one. And I'm going to hold this one probably till... If it rejects 80, I'll probably sell. And just rebuy it. 20 points lower at least. So you could kind of make... So I go 80 ticks, right? So if I go 80 ticks and I place a short to sell, it will rebuy it 80 ticks lower, and then that's going to give me additional $400 in average cost. Let's say the price went to 80, which it almost did. Sold me, would have rebought right here. That's $400 difference in price. But wouldn't get filled, so gonna see if we could get down to 720s. Again, trading the 150K take profit trader evals is just tough. You always want to make like half. I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna try to make like 2,000-3,000. We got 5 days. We got plenty of time. Come on, market. Choose a direction. But yeah, that was one of the craziest opens in a while. Literally felt like I was trading the news. Yeah, the eval process sucks, but like resetting TPT is just so so expensive. I have a call with TPT today actually. All right, so I sold that and I'm gonna rebuy it at 760. So it's gonna be the same position. It's just gonna be $400 less or lower, 20 points lower. So if I let's say buy down here, it's like I bought this at 720 20. But yeah, I have a call with Take Profit Trader, so we'll see what I could find out from them about the Pro Plus accounts and the new process of getting there, because I would really love to do that. I've been trading really poorly with Take Profit Trader, but if I know what the goal is to get to Pro Plus, I'll try to focus on that instead of getting payouts like on the first day. Because if I would have traded my Take Profit Trader like I've been trading my Apex accounts. Oh, one thing I want to ask them is the freaking Take Profit Trader Rhythmic server. Why is there no private server? We need a private server like ASAP, like yesterday. Alpine can't do his ORB because of your shitty server. I can't imagine how TPT was today. If Apex lagged. The one thing I got to figure out, and I think I know how I could do it, I just got to be very quick with it. So if I'm trading the ORB, right? And it's one of those ORBs that doesn't trigger in the first 30 seconds. All I need is to change my copy trading bot. What the hell happened? I don't know if it's my computer or something's laggy. All I gotta do is change my my bot. So let's say this is the main bot. If I don't take the ORB in the first gonna get filled here. So if I don't take the bot in the first, let's say 20 seconds, switch to this bot, and it will be the same exact bot, except it would also have Take Profit Trader. And then maybe it would work. So I'm looking at this as the same trade as I had before, except now I'm 20 points lower. And I'm going to sell that again. I'm going to sell it for 300. I'm going to get greedy on that. That'll be a $1,500 day. But Lucid, I haven't had issues with Lucid at the open. The only firms I have issues with is the ones that have free Rhythmic. But TPT, I don't have to worry about the 5-second rules or any of that. So like TPT would be ideal for TPT would be ideal for damn, it's going much higher. TPT would be ideal for ORB. Damn, my food's already here? Holy smokes, that was really fast. Cut my lawn yesterday, and I'm really thinking about getting a lawnmower. I don't know why I enjoyed it so much. Like I have a regular lawnmower, but I did my sod. I had to use it Couple times, but I have landscapers. I don't know. Landscapers just suck. I don't really care that much, right? I don't think real mowing could work in New Jersey. I mean, it has to be possible, but I don't think it would work on my lawn. All right, I'm gonna get my food. Oh yeah, egg platter. I haven't had this in a while. I didn't really want to order food, but Red Bull. Damn. I wish I stuck to this entry. Would have been nice. I would need zero turn mower. I would like a battery powered one, just less maintenance. But there isn't many options yet. For regular ones, yes. But I have an acre of land. And my house is not that big, so a lot of grass. Believe it or not, yesterday I was looking at bobcats. I'm thinking about buying a bobcat. How stupid would if I was as good as Ocala and I could make 50 grand in one day on TPT, like 10 grand times 5 accounts, I'll be buying a bobcat or bobcat skid steer ASAP. It's like I'm gonna rent one for like a month or two. That's gonna cost me like $6,000. Sorry guys, I'm just gonna finish eating this really quick. So good. Could have passed halfway, but unfortunately we sold too soon. This 820 didn't really work. Could use the Bobcat for snow removal. I would probably do like a business with that. But then I'll have to get a pickup truck. Oh yeah. I need a snowblower. So if I had a Bobcat, could just use that. That was great. Wow, what a squeeze, guys. We had the bottom. Could have halfway passed this eval. Didn't want to get greedy. Can I request any other payouts today with Apex? This we got a full week next week, so should be able to request another 10 grand. Might be a 40K month. Problem is, cats, my My luck is gonna be I'm gonna get it, and then we're not gonna get more than 2 inches of snow. Okay, is it gonna bounce of 820 here? I just scalp. Why not? I don't really care. Goes lower, goes lower. Let's see what we could get at least. I don't know why I have this cough. Allergies, maybe. Come on, $300 would be nice. Bounce right off 820. Would have had $300 if I was a little bit more patient. There we go. We'll take that. That's $2,000 in a day. Why can't I trade like that when I'm funded? Damn. Squeeze from hell. Yeah, it's ready to take off. I mean, it's already taking off, and I don't think shorts are feeling any good right now. I mean, we did close the gap overnight. Can we break the highs and hold? What a squeeze, guys. What a squeeze. I don't know if this 80 short is going to be a good idea or 920, but I'm thinking that should stay away from shorts totally. Actually, you know what? Well, short. I'm going to take a short just for fun. See if we could get something out of it. There we go. Come on, baby. Give it to us. Close. Oh, yeah, if I got that closer to 80, it would have been out already. But let's see. Can it pull back? Not looking for much, just 15 points. Oh, no, I'm actually looking for 20 points. Ooh. That's not what I was supposed to do. Oopsies. I thought I have a glare from the light. I thought this was set to 60 ticks. Had a chance to get out for some nice profit, but messed that one up. It's all right. It's all good. Okay, we're in 4 contracts now, so it's better turn. Wow, what a squeeze. Unbelievable. Could have passed it so easily, but obviously that's hindsight. Definitely gonna take one off just to be safe. There we go. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on. Ah, you bastards. Fuck. No, I'm getting like very unlucky. Because I'm going against the trend. That's the problem. Come on, just dump it. We're out of 2 contracts, so we're okay now. Let's add 4 contracts. That's pretty big position. I just lost power in this side of the room. How are my lights still on? Strange. I think I didn't lose power in this computer. I think I had the heater plugged in. I've had it plugged in for months. All right, give it to me, baby. There we go. Thank you very much. Yeah, what happened here? One second, guys. Wow. What a dump. Nicely done. Let's go. Normal price action. Yeah. Finally, we're getting some kind of, reaction to support resistance levels and a little bit of a bigger range day. I like it. Should we long at 820s? Okay, I'm long. I think if I win on this, it'll be my last trade on this account because I'll be pretty much halfway to pass. We'll trade another one. We just need to get a bounce here. Come on. Come on, just give it to me. There we go. Maybe. No? Come on. Come on, just pop it up. You got 5 pros and 5 evals? Yes, I think so. Never done that before, but I'm pretty sure you can. I don't remember what folder. It's like plugins or something like that. I'm going to call it a day on this account because we're up $4,200 on it in 2 days. So got 3 more days to pass. So let's switch to another one. I just reset before. Gotta log out, log back in, and let's see what we could do with. We gotta flip this one. Well, we gotta do it on micros. All right, I'm gonna trade this one. See if we could be aggressive. But yeah, I want to see if I have any more payouts with Apex today. Let's see. How I check is like, do I have any accounts that just need one more trading day, basically? Minimum balance. Minimum balance. Request a payout on this account, but that's where the balances are smaller. Yeah, so I have some smaller balance accounts that I could request from, but I still might. Because, like, for example, this one account I've traded for 26 days and I have not requested a payout. So maybe I should just take. How much could I take from that? So 5,900 minus 4,600 is 1,300. So I could take $1,300 from that account. I could take, 1,000, 100, 1,100 from this account. So it's either I take the guaranteed money or try to grow these accounts. Yeah, so all these accounts are going to be, I could request a lot of payouts today. It just, I don't want to have too many accounts pending payouts and then I can't trade, That's, but yeah, a bunch of these accounts I could request payouts from. It's just not full payouts. So it's like, do I take the 5 grand or do I grow the accounts, this whole week? I have 2 more weeks. I could take full payout by end of the month. I could take a full payout pretty much by end of this week if I win ORB every day. I could also trade those accounts with the 80-20 strategy and try to make another like $500 today and just request. Got many options. So could be a 40K month, guys. I am very happy with myself. It's been some challenges. There has been challenges throughout the last few weeks, but we got over it and we escaped fire, and luckily we didn't do any damage. Could have been blown. I'm also gonna flip the accounts that I have a payout pending, so that way counts the first day. So that way when I get approved, all I gotta do is 5 days of trading. Because if I got all these accounts to full payout, how much would that be? 15 times 2750, 41,000. Damn. Not far from that. But my time is definitely limited. If I was trading like this on the new accounts, probably would be live. This 820 long could still be a play. But I would like to wait for something more obvious. So I could go heavy. Come on. Let's retest 880 one more time. Maybe 920. I should work on some new accounts with Apex too, but nah, not gonna mix them. Screw it. Power clear. Let me see what that looks like. That's too small for my yard. No, that's a baby one. That could be good for my deck, maybe. No, I would want something bigger. We have some kind of news. What was that? Could have bought some here. Gonna go long one more time if I can. Can we get a bounce off this 820? I don't know. I would need like a 36-inch snowblower. I have a pretty big driveway, and I'm building a new garage. So if I get the new garage built, the driveway is gonna be even bigger. Okay, we got one in. both. I don't know, this might not hold, but I'm gonna try anyway. Kind of lost my patience there. Yeah, I lost patience on that. I said I wanted to be patient and wait for something to happen so that way I could be aggressive for the big win. But now I gotta just protect and hope that we get a bounce. Always making a silly mistake. Can't be aggressive when the market's just chop. You gotta wait for a big move in one direction first. But whatever. We'll try our best. Nope. Shit's gonna get blown. Why didn't I just wait? So we could get a little bit of a bounce and I'll sell some. Come on, give me like a couple points. Can we get this to bounce? Got everything done. Yeah, I just got that meeting with TPT at 12 and then we could play after. Can't imagine that meeting taking a long time. Come on. Go, 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 go. I'll sell one more at like 8:10. What type of meeting? Just partner meeting. I don't know. They emailed me saying that they want to talk face to face, and done a meeting like that with Apex as well. Could have done it with other prop firms too, but like Funded Seat, I think Goat Futures or something like that. Funded Next. I mean, everyone's reaching out to be a partner with them, but I just don't want to promote new prop firms for some reason. I don't know why. Like I got offered $3,000 a month from one of the prop firms as a monthly guarantee, and with the bump up to 5,000, or with the bump to 5,000 if I reach a certain amount of sales, and plus commissions and free accounts. But I just am scared of new prop firms. They're gonna change everything. That seems to be the way. We're gonna blow another take profit trader eval because of stupidity. All I have to do is wait for 780s, man. The boredom got me. This one's not free. This one I paid $100 for. The ones yesterday were free. You know, like a big explosive bounce. There we go. It's better. Just go. Go to 810. I'll sell like 2 contracts. We're green. We are green. Unfortunate. We didn't get a bounce. Crazy. Oh wait, we almost got that. It's at 8:10. Wasn't paying attention because I'm shopping for a new car. Kind of want to buy one of these bad boys. I don't know what I would do with it once I finish all my projects. Why not rent it? Because it's expensive. Kind of want one, to be honest. It's just I don't know what if I would have stuff to do with it afterwards. Damn, goodbye. Damn it, guys. I didn't have patience for the right trade, and I am gonna end up losing this simple eval for the same reasons as always. Just no patience. Why would I buy up here? Why? If I would have bought here, we would have sold. Or at least we wouldn't be down so much because we wouldn't have 6 contracts. It's just so stupid. I get so impatient on these evals. But I'm not going to start the next one. Just going to call it a day. Only thing is I will place an order on bull unlocks at the bottom, but that's about it. I just fucking suck. I just have no patience, guys. I just have no patience. Oh, what are you going to do? What are you going to do? I'll try yellow this eval. Yeah, if I could finance it. 45K and it's mine versus 6 grand and it's a waste of 6 grand. That's how I look at it. It's just such a badass looking machine. That could be my snowblower. Well, not a good day, guys. Not a good day on the evals. Like I have a lot of projects to do around the house, so it's like if I rent, I gotta rent for like 2 months. Otherwise, I gotta do everything so quick, and it's just the biggest problem with them is the transport. Like they're so heavy, you need like a big pickup truck. A regular pickup truck's not gonna transport that. There's some kind of news. We would have blown that eval anyway now. And we blew this one. Yeah, there's some kind of news or something. I don't know. It's all good. Did well on one eval. That's all I could ask for. Bum, 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 bum. Insane. Insane move. Hazel, how we doing? Yeah, it's a good month. One of my best months in a while. Hazel, I'm pretty much, I got an okay so far with my garage. So hopefully in 2 months or so, I'll have my garage and I could still start building my golf sim properly. So we could swing the driver and participate in all the leagues. What a meltdown. Holy smokes. What happened here, guys? It's just sell off? Probably just a sell off. Probably just a sell off. Oh my god. She is melting. Makes me want to try trading on one of the Apex accounts. It's gonna bounce. One of these accounts that oh my god, what is going on? It's like freezing too. We're gonna try. We are gonna try. Come on, a little bit more. Okay. So I could probably request a payout from that account now. That wasn't even 300 bucks. How much did I make on that? 250? Lame. I made $250 in 30 seconds. So lame. What a meltdown though. Jeez. $178 meltdown. Can we get to 620? 620 has a lot of support. If we could get there, I definitely will take another long. 59. 6,600 would be like ideal balance. So I could take out 2,000. So still kind of off that mark. Well, I'm glad we got caught in that on an eval and not on funded, because that could have been bad. Hope you guys stayed safe on that. Big boy bounce right there. Yeah, 680 was beautiful. Damn. Was hoping 620 would be in play, but I guess not. Holy shit, what a bounce. Gotta love this market. Hope it stays. If it stays like this, it could definitely be great end to the month. Because this is more like my market. We just kind of got away from it, so I haven't been used to it. Gotta get used to it. What a bounce. Fuck. That was the money making bounce. Unbelievable. I dropped the ball on that. Anyone get that? I only got $250 out of it. Oh, now I have FOMO. Nice job, Tim. Fuck. I wish I held more or added one more time for another trade. Gotta be aggressive a little bit on these plays. That's how big months are made. Because I would like to request $2,000 from each account minimum. So need like 2 more green days this week to do that. And then we have a 40K month. First time 40K month since I started playing golf. If we get there. 40K month is something that will put me at how much would I be up on the year? Almost 100,000, 93,000. So I would be on pace for $300,000 a year again. Third time in a row. But again, who knows how the prop firms are going to evolve throughout the year. So just got to enjoy what I got. Yeah, big dump and then big pump. And I only made $250 out of it. So sad. When you would have personal account, still would be doing RB? Yeah. Yeah, I would still do RB. Right now, ORB is only 2-to-1 risk reward, so no reason not to do it. But I would also trade something else, right? Because ORB wouldn't give me enough profit. Can we get a retest? Would I trade futures in your personal? I'll go back to small caps. I'll do both, but small caps scare me because of like stock like car that just went up 600%. How is it doing today? I don't want to buy options on it to short it. It's like the GameStop stock, but it's still up 9% today. Oh no, I had a big dump. I was. Oh no, that's the weekly. But yeah, red day today. I'm so mad that I missed that bounce. I should have been focused. Once it broke, I was focused on 620 and I just kind of took my eyes off. I should have just rebought it. Could have been another couple $100 for a payout. But obviously hindsight is 2020. Wow. Fucking what a manipulation, man. This is like trading small cap stocks, to be honest. Like that aggressive sell off into this aggressive buying. I mean, what's the point of that? Besides just, all right, let's play with people's heads. And try a quick short here. Any dollar I make on these accounts is payout money, so might as well just take the $100. Actually, no, not this account. This account does not have a payout yet. That's right. $150 closer to a payout. Could be a great end to the month. Dustin, teach me how to do options so I could short car. Well, I nailed that short. Too bad I didn't hold it. Wow, yeah, I nailed that short. Now, do we dare to buy the dip? Do we buy the 720 dip? Only got like 20 more minutes. I gotta get ready for a meeting with Take Profit. 720. Nope. That's 680 maybe. But we could still buy 720s. I'm assuming that TRADEIFY account that I have is blown. I'm assuming this account's blown. Yeah. Well, let me buy it. Yeah. Thought I was gonna have that in the bag. Yeah, I'm gonna have to stop out. So lame. Thought I had it in the bag, guys. I really was like celebrating already. Oh wait, maybe we could survive. Come on, like bounce this much, you could do it. Like it's my orders, like yeah, of course now it's gonna freaking go. Bastards. Well, bastards. Okay. Okay. Getting a little mad now. Well, it's okay. We made some profit. CPT code? What do you mean? Why is it easier to trade those? Oh man, what a bounce. Oh. Yeah, I'm trading scared now. Top ticked. So I bottom ticked. Well, actually, no, I didn't bottom tick, but I had the 680 long, had 780 short, and I had 720. Could have definitely made some good profits. And I just got peanuts out of it. But it's okay. Peanuts still add up, right? Peanuts will still add up. Second, guys. I don't know who's calling me. He's looking for the owner of the business. So I told him to contact Scott. Scott from Fast Track Trading is the owner. Damn it. At least if I traded evals like this, could have passed some evals. Because on evals, I wouldn't be afraid, you know, to hold. Wow. These executions look like a joke. I mean, this one would have been fine, but this one I got out because I was close to getting my target and then it came back against me. If I got 300 on that, it wouldn't be bad. But yeah, now it's like FOMO's creeping in, but this price action is beautiful. That's one thing I can't get mad about is this price action is amazing. And if it stays like this, let's say this whole week, and we get used to it, we can make some good profits because the levels are holding. Price action is more in the range. It's volatile, so you can make some profits quickly, which is what I like. And it's got some momentum to it to the one side and then just reverses to the other side. And that's my favorite type of market. Hate when it goes one way, and I hate when it's a chop without much of an expansion. So kind of like this. Hate that. But when we get this big drop, we get a big bounce, and then a lot of plays out of it. Wow. I might just take a long on this account. This is the lowest balance one. Would be nice to catch up with the rest. I don't know, Ghost Bear. I've been in the crapper with TPT. I just can't mentally. I just can't mentally like slow down. And I keep messing it up. Dustin, take care, man. Yeah, it's been a crazy market. It looked pretty slow, and then all of a sudden, it just picked up the pace. I got a call at 12 o'clock with TPT. Let me know if you guys have any questions that I should ask. I'm going to ask about the private Rhythmic server, why they don't have one, and the big one will be the Pro Plus account, how they work. Didn't retest 680. When they will remove the intraday trailing on the pro accounts, they will never do that. They do that, they'll put daily loss limit back on. So I'm not going to ask about that. That doesn't bother me. They'll put some other limitation in place if they remove trailing drawdown. I'm not talking to like, I'm just talking to the partner, manager, whatever. So I'm not going to ask questions like about new products and all that stuff. It's just going to be more like what they already have. If you guys have any questions about what they already have and you're unclear about. No, I'm talking to a manager, the affiliate manager. Like I'll you know, we'll see where the conversation goes, but I'll mention a few things you guys mentioned. My biggest concern is the TPT Pro Plus. How does it work? Since the metals kind of ruined it, like how does it work now? Like it used to be like I was to be permanently on the live on the Pro Plus, and now I'm not. How do I get back? What's the criteria? See if he knows. All right, guys, I'm gonna call it and get ready for the meeting. I'm gonna go get something to snack on, like a fruit, and sit down on the couch for 5 minutes. Then another good day, guys. Another good day. We should be able to request more payouts, but I'm gonna grow these accounts a little bit more. I'm gonna look to make like $2,000 per account before I request, but we'll see. Like, depends how long it takes to get approved on Apex. Because I don't want to have too many accounts that are waiting for payout, because then it's like, then I can't trade any of the accounts and I'm wasting opportunities. So since I'm not at max payout, I want to continue trading. Maybe I just won't trade all of them in the same day or something. I don't know. But requesting like $1,200 or $1,300, I don't know if it's the best idea since things are going well. But at the same time, guaranteed money has always been something I've wanted to take. So it's like dilemma. Am I trading negative RR? On the ORB I am, yes. On the 80-20, it's 1-to-1, or sometimes it's positive. I've had some massive trades. I've had like 5-hour trades on that, so it just depends. That one, I would say it's not negative RR, but the ORB, yes, it is. And we had a bad week last week with the ORB. So that alone, if I had a good last week, oh man, we could have had 50K a month. We survived. We managed to minimize the losses and stuff, but it was still losses. Hopefully the ORB keeps on giving this week. Need to get back on the winning streak. If I could get like a 5-day, 6-day winning streak now on ORB, that's, you know, a lot of money. That's going to be a lot of money. Because all the accounts are pretty much over buffer except one. This is what, knock on wood, this is one of my best runs with Apex I've had in last year and a half, maybe. One of my best. Probably not the best, but it's close. I mean, I've had these accounts for... It's hard to see on the website nowadays. Apex sale ends today, by the way. That's what it says on their website. So if I go to accounts, active PAs, it sucks it doesn't show me the... I've had 1, 2, 3, 4 of these accounts since January. Then I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. Pretty good streak. Total cost for February, I have no idea. I don't keep track. I only do my end of year. Once I am done on the year, I do it for tax purposes, but that's about it. Sometimes like I'll do like a tally halfway through the year. I did that last year as well. Because for me, when I do well, I don't spend a lot. That's just kind of my limitation. I should be pushing the limits and spending more, when I'm doing well. I know some people spend like $20,000 in a month to make 100,000, you know, make 120,000, 130,000. I mean, I tried. I got, you know, I did get TRADEIFY accounts. I blew those. So I'm trying, but I'm just not pushing the limits. But when I do well, my costs are very low. It's when I do poorly, that's when my costs are high. So when I'm doing bad, I don't want to get the, oh my God, I'm spending so much. Like, you know, I shouldn't be doing this. And it just gets in your head. And when you're doing well, then calculating it is kind of giving you like a false impression of how much you're really making. I understand that my cost on average through the years has been 25%. That's how much money I spend versus what I get paid out, which is fine. All right, guys, I got to go. 10 minutes till a meeting. I need to, I'm going to go eat an apple or something. I'll see you guys tomorrow for Wednesday. We'll do a giveaway tomorrow and hopefully get some more payouts. I got a meeting in 10 minutes, so got to end the stream. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good night. Good day. Dobranoc, buenas noches, ciao. Adios, amigos.